Namaste. Welcome to Spoken Telugu class conducted by World Telugu Federation, Chennai. In part 1, we have learnt Telugu names for birds, pet animals and wild animals. In this part 2, we will learn Telugu names for aquatic animals, amphibians, reptiles and insects. Let's start with aquatic animals. For aquatic animals, in Telugu, we say it as నీటి జంతువులు or జలచరాలు. Fish, చేప. Dolphin, in Telugu also we say dolphin only. Then octopus, అష్టపది. Crab, పీత. Lobster, ఎండ్రకాయ. Seahorse, సముద్ర గుర్రం. Horse means gurram, sea means samudram. So seahorse, it is called as samudra gurram. Jellyfish, we say jellyfish only. Shark, swarachapa. Amphibians, they live both in water and as well as in land. For amphibians, we say ubhayacharalu. Kappa, frog. Mosali, crocodile. Timingalam, whale. Tortoise, tabelu. Now we will learn the names of few reptiles. Snake, పాము. Viper, కట్ల పాము. Cobra, త్రాచు పాము. Lizard, బల్లి. Python, కొండ చిలువ. Iguana, తొండ. Alligator, పెద్ద మొసలి. Chameleon, ఊసరవెల్లి. Insects means కీటకాలు. Housefly, ఈగ. Honeybee, తేనెటీగ. Horsefly, జోరీగ. Wasp, కందిరీగ. Silkworm, పట్టుపురుగు. Glowworm, మిణుగురు పురుగు. Caterpillar, గొంగళి పురుగు. Bedbug, నల్లి. Butterfly, సీతాకోక చిలుక. Ant, చీమ. Mosquito, దోమ. Leaf insect, ఆకు పురుగు. Spider, సాలెపురుగు. Dragonfly, తూనీగ. Cockroach, బొద్దింక. If you have any doubts, please make or give your suggestion or express your doubts in the comment section so that we will be able to clear your doubts. Thank you for your patient listening.